Greetings and salutations, everybody. Welcome back to Woodpecker-Watching, where we're watching all 198 Woody Woodpecker cartoons. And this week's entry is Pantry Panic, released on November 24th, 1941. It's the third one in the series, and it's directed by an uncredited Walter Lantz. I'm joined here by my good friend Smile Dudo 2. Say hello.
Greetings.
Anyway, I want to get this right out of the way. This short is in the public domain, so we're not going to do any of that audio track only stuff we do on YouTube. So, yay.
This is probably the first Woody Woodpecker short for a lot of people, and also it's the only Woody Woodpecker short in the public domain, but it's not the only Walter Lantz short in the public domain. But still, this is the only public domain.
Woody? Yeah.
Oh my, yeah.
But yeah.
But
this short's on like every public domain DVD and VHS known to man. Because it's Woody Woodpecker. That's why.
But still, isn't Scrubby Mama in the public domain? You don't see it that often.
Wait, what short?
Scrubby Mama with a Boogie Beat. That's in the public domain, I think.
Yeah, it is.
But still, even shorts like Jungle Jitters, even though it's racist as hell, it still gets put on public domain, YouTube, and DVDs quite commonly.
Yeah. Have you uploaded this one yet?
Yeah, I have.
I figured.
I've taken full advantage of that copyright system.
Anyway, so basically, Mel Blanc actually started the lines for this cartoon, but when he got signed to that exclusive contract, then Danny Webb redubbed all of his lines. Anyway, here's Alex Lovey, who, as you know, directed those pretty bad, as people say, Seven Arts Looney Tunes cartoons. You know the ones, See You Later, Gladiator, all that
Cool
shit.
Cat. Yeah.
Yeah, Merlin the Magic Mouse.
Mm-hmm.
I gotta say, this short doesn't look too bad on Blu-ray. I'm not the biggest fan of the Screwball Collection remasters, but I gotta say, this is kind of decent coming from the DVD copy, which looked okay from what I remember.
This is a very nice upgrade compared to VHS copies that still are on YouTube from 13 years ago.
The thing is, MeTV actually shows a YouTube upload of... wait, hold on, I just wanted to say, I have a 16mm print of this cartoon. It has that below... Basically, it's a black and white Castle Films print, and then for a brief second, it has the color below zero shot, which looks to be from an IB Technicolor print, but yeah. As I was saying, MeTV uses a copy that's taken off YouTube, and it's the DVD rip, although from what I remember, it looks more saturated, it's compressed. But yeah.
That really goes to show you that even a cartoon show like Tune In With Me doesn't really care about Woody Woodpecker to download a 2 gigabyte file from our Internet Archive, but they can still get a Thunderbeam print of Gas, the private snafu short when they played it.
I mean, I don't know how they did it. But wait.
I mean, it's gotta be more...
I was gonna say, maybe that was the card that I was talking about that was on my 16. I honestly forgot. But what were you saying?
They somehow... Tune With Me somehow got a Thunderbeam print of Gas, but not a Blu-ray rip, or even just a normal DVD rip of Pantry Panic.
Probably because it has the most views, if I'm gonna be honest. Because I'm pretty sure...
but put more effort into just scrolling down on the YouTube search page.
They probably couldn't be bothered.
Yeah. What are you going
Plus, I
to have
think
for dinner?
they might be looking for the uncompressed master.
Yeah.
I think it's clear that MeTV wants Woody Woodpecker for their library, but Universal is just too negligent to give it up.
I remember they did an Instagram post celebrating cartoon birds, and they had Woody Woodpecker as one of them.
I ain't cold.
Was it a pic from this cartoon?
Yes, it was Woody in the mailbox.
Also, here's Les Klein. But yeah. I'm pretty sure for some people this might be the only Woody Woodpecker cartoon they've ever seen. Which is kind of sad because from what I know, a copyrighted Woody cartoon hasn't aired on TV since Frank Sinatra was still alive.
Well, like, didn't it air on like Fox Kids in the 2000s?
I think the Fox Kids thing that was on like the Lance Cartoon Encyclopedia things from like a foreign airing.
Oh, I've never heard of that.
Yeah, they still show these Woodies in foreign markets, especially Brazil, because the goddamn movie was marketed towards them. And you know Dallas McKennon, the voice of Buzz Buzzard?
I feel like I've heard that name before.
He also did the voice of Gumby, but his grandson was actually disappointed that the movie was marketed specifically towards the Brazilian fans, rather than just the mainstream audience.
Did you notice the pot when it fell on the ground? Like it like fell on the wall.
I didn't honestly see that.
It bounced off.
Also, Alex Lovey again. I love this right here. It just shows you they ate the entire thing.
Not the most though, yeah. That's kind of a dark gag.
Also, if I remember correctly, this is Ray Farringer.
So am I.
People are wondering, was Woody's voice mistakenly not pitched up? I think that was just for a gag. But anyway, that's the end of our cartoon. We'll see you next time, folks. So long.
Bye-bye.